Have you ever painted the floor of your house, your salon, or your shop and then regretted the result? The paint wasn't what you expected, it started to peel over time, it faded, and it didn't meet your expectations. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the work I did painting the floor of this client's commercial space. The paint I'm using here is liquid tile from the brand Crystal. It's a two-component paint, alright? We can say it's basically an epoxy paint, right? It's water-based. There's very little solvent in it. It's a really good paint and it doesn't have a strong smell, right? It's bi-component. You mix component A with component B, mix it well. And then on top of this subfloor that you're seeing here, it's really a subfloor. It's a cement-based subfloor. We've already applied primer before, and those who follow me here know that I like to use Smart Resina to do the painting, the preparation, right, of the entire surface that I'm going to paint. And then after that, I'm already applying the first coat of this paint, and believe it or not, this commercial space is about 80 square meters I used. 3 of these small cans, look, only 3 small cans. It's small, it's 3.6 liters, right, let's say. And with just one coat, look at the coverage this paint gave me here on my client's floor. It's true that the gray color kind of matched the subfloor there, right? The subfloor is already gray too, and that made it easier to get good coverage. But it has excellent coverage, just look at that. Look how the room is turning out. And in just about 2 hours of work, maybe even less, we painted this entire commercial space. And there you have the result, look at it drying. After 24 hours, it's pretty much ready. You can step on it, right? Since it's a two-component paint, it takes longer to cure. But it turned out really great, and it's a paint that I use and recommend. I really enjoyed using it. And I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy this paint that I used and recommend for painting floors.